Good morning, all of you. Let us start the sixth chapter, that is a rock and rock cycle. The rock, the very simple word rock is there. Rock, you all know what the rock is. You also have seen. Generally, that because of the rock only, the upper crust of the earth is known as a lithosphere, where the lithos is a Latin word which means a rock. Because on the upper surface of the earth it is consist of a rock, so it is known as a lithosphere. Now the upper region having the two things, the upper crust having the two things, rocks and minerals. Mineral, mineral having the definite chemical composition, it having its own chemical and the physical property. So the mineral consists of the particular type of a element, while the rock is combination of many minerals. When many minerals mixes and they makes a rock. So that is a basic difference between the minerals and rocks. In this chapter, we will study about the different type of rocks. Different type of rocks means mainly broadly the three types of rocks are there in the earth crust: the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rock. Let us start the first rock, that is the igneous rock. Igneous comes from the Latin word which means Agni, and you all know the Agni is a Sanskrit word which means a fire. The igneous rock is known as, get their name as the igneous. It is because the earth was filled with the water everywhere. The water was there, and on the ocean bed, when the volcanic eruption starts, because of the volcanic eruption, slowly and gradually the landforms form. When the one layer was volcanic eruption was there, one layer was formed. After that, another eruption, the another layer was formed. Then slowly and gradually, layer by layer, these rocks are formed, and this is how our earth crust is formed. So the igneous rock is mainly derived from the fire or from the lava. When the lava solidify, it makes a igneous rock. So it gets lava. It is a very hot material, because of that only it is known as a igneous rock. Igneous rock is also known as a primary rock. It is because the other two rocks, that is a sedimentary and metamorphic, these both the rocks are formed because of the igneous rock only. When this igneous rock changes its character, the sedimentary rocks forms and the metamorphic rocks forms. We will see later on this chapter. First of all, we are talking about the igneous rock. Now, igneous rock, how the formation of this igneous rock? The igneous rock, when the volcanic eruption occurs and the lava comes from the interior of the earth, and when it solidifies, the igneous rocks are formed. Now, while the time of the coming out on the earth's surface, some of the rocks, some of the lava also gushes into the cracks of the rocks, and there it solidifies. So the two types of rocks are there: the lava which comes out on the earth's surface and solidify, and the some material which is solidified beneath the earth's surface and forms a igneous rocks. There are two types of rock was there now: the intrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. The rocks which is inside the earth is intrusive igneous rock, and the rock which is outside the earth's surface is known as an extrusive igneous rock. So the two types of rocks are there: the intrusive inside, extrusive which is on the earth's surface. Now it is also classified on the basis of the presence of a silica, acid igneous rock, and the basic igneous rock. Now the acid igneous rock, which having the more silica and granite, and the basic igneous rock having the less quantity of a silica. It is only the silica. The acid igneous rock having the more silica, and the basic igneous rock having the less less silicas. The two types, so these further two basic differences are there of the igneous rock. Now the igneous rock, if you see one diagram, I want to show the lava volcanic eruption was there. This diagram, if you see these diagrams, if you see the lava was coming out on the earth's surface, and you also see some of the lava was not coming on the earth's surface. It moves towards inside the earth where the cracks are there. See, it was gushing in the horizontal also, in the form of a vertical also. Somewhere this lava was solidified and the bulge So this was solidified in the some lavas are also solidified beneath the earth's surface, and they also, when they solidify there, they occurs a different type of a shape. As I told you, somewhere you have seen the horizontal solidification was there, somewhere vertical solidification of a lava is there. According to that, the different type of a name was given to these rocks. We will see that one by one. Before that, one more topic was there. On the basis of the depth of the place, cooling of an intrusive igneous rock divided into two types. How deep they are solidified. This igneous rock, how deep they are solidified inside the earth's surface, the two categories were there: plutonic and hypobasal. The plutonic rock is generally igneous rock, deep-seated origin known as a plutonic, which is very deep inside the earth, is known as a plutonic rock. The rock is a coarse grain size which result from their having been formed with the depth where the cooling crystallization have occurs. For example, the gabbro, granite and batholite is example of plutonic. Because this rock solidify inside the earth's surface, it takes long time for the solidification, and because the long time of solidification was there, it develops many cracks in it. So it having a many crystals, it solidify in a very large time, much time. So it is a plutonic rock. Now the hypobasal rock is another small scale igneous intrusive rock, still and dikes. These are the formed due to the cooling. So it was not in the very deep. This hyperbasal rocks are not very deep. It was very close to the earth only. It does not have the much large reserves. Less quantity of igneous rock was there. So it is a hypobasal. Now, if you see the diagram I wanted to see show the different landforms which is occurs due to the solidification of lava. See, here it was shown the sill and dikes. Sill was clear here, it was labeled also sill and dikes. If you see the horizontal solidification and the vertical solidification of lava. When the lava solidify vertically and when the lava solidify horizontally. According to this horizontally and vertically, the different names are given. Like the horizontal solidification of lava is known as a sill, while vertical solidification of lava is known as a dikes. The two names you understood, horizontal and vertical. Now, the two more things were there, that is a batholith and leucolith. When the large amount of a lava solidify large reserve in the any shape beneath the earth's surface, it was very large compared to the silt and dikes. It is a large reserve. That is known as a batholith. That is known as a batholith. The large amount of a lava when solidified beneath the earth's surface does not have any shape. That is known as a batholith. Now leucolith is a shape which having a dome type of a structure. When the lava solidify in the dome type of a structure, that is known as a leucolith. So it is clear, the cells are horizontal, dikes are vertical solidification, large reserves of the intrusive igneous rock is known as a batholith, while the leucolith is a dome shaped intrusive igneous rock. All these are the forms of the rock which is solidified inside the earth's surface, and it is the example of intrusive igneous rock. Very nicely it was given in the figure 6.2. If you see, very good, nicely it was explained over there. Now the second type of rock, extrusive igneous rock, which comes out on the earth's surface. Volcanic eruption comes out on the earth's surface and they solidify outside the earth's surface. Because they are outside on the earth's surface, it solidify very rapidly and it does not have much cracks. It's having a very less cracks, so it does not have much crystals. So it is known as an extrusive igneous rock. Most of these rocks are found on the earth, on the surface of the earth. So this is all about your igneous rock. One more topic was the character of igneous rock. in detail. We will see that in the next video. Question answers we are not doing. Question answers you try to do yourself. If you are not able to do, I will do.